All right, what's going on, homies? Dr. Uhrmacher here with another Facebook ads tutorial for Dr. Ryan. And what we're going to be rolling through here today, I'll tell you, kind of keep you up to speed where we're at because we already have a couple of ads going. Started a little bit of retargeting. What I had to do though is because of the lower end of engagement that we were seeing on the front. Again, this is brand new practice. We haven't done a whole lot on there, but I had to open up my retargeting. So what we're doing now is we're going to run another front end video ad, which I'm going to show you here, and then also some other retargeting. But I believe if I were to look back, probably in my notes, I had my original retargeting was set to everyone that had engaged with the page, visited website, probably did video views, basically everyone in the last 7 days, we were going to retarget them. But like I said, Facebook was not giving me any reach with that whatsoever. So I went ahead, because we want to start getting some business here, right? I opened it up to 30 days. Everyone in the last 30 days that went through those engagement options, I went ahead and opened that up. Now we're going to run some more front end so we can increase all of those people so that we're able to do a little more. What I like to do with my retargeting is everyone in the last 7 days, then 7 to 14 days, they see something different than, like I'm using my hands here, then 14 to 21, and then 21 to 30, and then we can start back in. And after that point, a lot of times I'll start showing them the things they've already seen before, but it helps with ad fatigue in there. So here's what we got. We got video views. We're going on a TechNeck post. If you haven't done anything on TechNeck, definitely do. And that's a post that he's done here. It's a video. Went through, we talk about the technology. I go ahead and put his call to action in here as well, which I'm not sure if I talked about it in video, but he does an exam, range of motion, x-rays, all of that. No treatment. I don't like the treatment in the deals. You're going to notice something as well. I don't talk about price in here. So we're not getting price shoppers. We're getting people that want a solution, right? So we are going through ad set name. We still got the same audience that I'm going. Again, sometimes I open this up. In this case, I'm not. We're going to leave it at 7 miles. Age is 27 to 64, both men and women. On this front end, placements is going to be Facebook feeds only. And let's see, yep, we're going to have to restart that. We're going basically lifetime budget of $300. It's going to do some learning on there, but it's basically going to be $10 a day. And if you're new to this, you can always pause this. If you're not seeing what you want of it, you can always pause it. So I'm going to reset that. Going with 10-second video views is what they're optimizing for, and then also charging on 10-second video view. We're going to click through onto this one. I'm going to use an existing post, and here's what it's going to be looking like. Again, make sure you put in your URL parameters in here so that you can see when you get the traffic on there over to your website, through your Google Analytics. And we're going to let this baby ride. So let me know if you got questions on this. You can look back through my timeline or over at Doctor's Well Secrets timeline, or probably on my YouTube channel, and you'll be able to see all the previous stuff. If you're just seeing this for the first time, get caught up on that, and let me know if you got any questions on it.